All right, we're back with a package. Let's take a look at this thing. Oh, the odyssey this has been down. This was the item with 1-day delivery that I'm 8 days into getting the package delivered. Fingers crossed, kids. We've got an instruction packet in a plastic container. That's nice. We've got 2 sealed roll cage rings. Encouraging. A big bag of clamps with some shrink tubing, it looks like. And the star of the hour. All right. All metal. It's interesting. It's got a foam there. Not sure what that's all about. Let's see how this thing works. Pull that. Tight tolerances, it looks like, which is what I was hoping for. Oh, interesting. So that's, there you go. How about that? Pressure ball bearing. Huh. There's just a very slight. So they upgraded this with some ball bearings or some pressure bearings. You see that? It's, I mean, if you didn't read the title, it's a fire extinguisher holder. Would definitely recommend mounting it in a position where that hook remains in a position. That's interesting. Got hardware. Let's grab a magnet and see what kind of hardware they sent us. That's actually probably considered stainless. Very light. Now that's definitely you can see the difference in. Huh, how about that? How about that? Well, as a true fire extinguisher mount video should be, we have another package. What are the chances that this has gone off? And you're gonna take a guess whether that's a possibility. I was a little leery about ordering a fire extinguisher, but apparently I got a made in Mexico dry chem. Oop. What do we got all here? Sorry, I'm looking at this. So it's got a shipping label, shipping it to Amazon. All right, a box in a box in a box. So we got a 6-year warranted. Is it going to be full of white powder? I mean, I did read some sad stories on the internet about the condition of their delivered fire extinguisher having gone off in the container. It's looking good. So that's what I went with. Now, somebody say, why did you go with that? Electrical, gas, and trash. Now, the joke would be I ride with, Can-Am and Polaris, so I have to have a trash fire extinguisher. But I'm not going to make that joke. See how nice I am? I'm not going to make a joke about the trash that I participate with. It was mainly because I wanted red. You never know when you got a trash fire that you got to get rid of. So theoretically, the way this is going to work is like this piece of garbage goes. I don't need that on there. Watch me discharge this on the video. That's just a wall mount. So this bad boy gets one of them there like that. And then one of these here pipe clamps goes around this. Now I heard people were trying to weave it through here, but I don't think you have to do that. I think you go under that one there, and then maybe up is the plan. We'll see. This should be pretty legit. I mean, there's a little bit, but that's not a lot of movement. These things, let's check these out real quick. See see what the hardware is. See if, you know, is this going to rust? Where'd the magnet go? Here it is. Oh, that's really good stainless, actually. This is the black part's obviously aluminum. So the way this works, that to that, which is strange because it's concave. I guess it just gets a full send with the gap. I mean, it's got tabs on here. You could just zip tie this on. Or when I say zip tie, you could use those things and it would go right on the bar. I guess that is an option. Man. Oops. I think I'm going to go driver's side. How's that going to work? Maybe not. Like, I want this. Let me put a scratch in it. Like, I really want it mounted like that. Is passenger side a place you put that? I mean, I don't really want to go under because that would like. So what happens sometimes? Someone said these handles fall off. I don't know if that's true. I've heard stories of people go like, you know, they get to their destination and there's no fire extinguisher on their thing anymore. I mean, if I mounted it under, it would just fall off completely. So if I do top mount, it'd have to be passenger side. We'll have to play around with it. It'll be a different video. This is the unboxing. But that's my fire suppression system for my Honda Talon off-road build. Should be good to go. Black Friday, I got that thing for a super discount. This was cheaper than it normally is. We'll just say that. There you go. 7 minutes of your life. Stay safe.